This video will show you how to use the Notify service, a powerful tool that allows you to send notification messages to hundreds, even thousands of contacts all at once. You will learn how to send a recorded voice message to large or small groups of landlines and cell phones. You can also send text and email. You can send all phone messages and emails from one job, a quick, easy, and effective way of getting important messages out fast. To access the web portal with your computer or laptop, enter the unique address into the address bar on your browser. This service is fully functional with Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. It is partially functional on Safari and Internet Explorer. Or go to nctc.com. Click on Customers in the top menu bar to see the pull-down. Click Voicemail to access. Then select Notify to access the Notify web portal. You will need to enter your username and password to log in to your account. Please contact our office to receive your username and password. Press here to open the main menu. There are 4 administrative features of this service: announcements, phone books, jobs, and accounts. Announcements are recorded messages that you can send to your phone book contacts. From the main menu, press Announcements to access your current announcement library. To record a new announcement, press the blue plus button to open the Actions window and select Add Announcement. Enter a description for your new announcement in the description field. You can use your laptop or desktop to record a message by pressing the microphone button if displayed. Press Stop when you have finished recording your message. Press this button to save your recording. The cloud button, if displayed, allows you to upload a pre-recorded announcement from your computer. You can also call the Notify Administration Center to record your announcement. Press the phone button for a list of access numbers. If you call in, you will be asked for your subscriber ID, which is your 10-digit phone number, including area code. You will then be asked to enter your password. Follow the automated phone instructions and press pound when you have finished recording your announcement. Your announcement will display in your announcement library with a date and time stamp. You can rename this from the Edit Announcement window. To edit your announcement, select the announcement you want to edit from your announcement list. This will open the Edit Announcement window. To listen to the selected announcement, press the play button. To change the announcement description, type in the new description. The download button allows you to save a copy of your recorded announcement. To delete this announcement, press the red Delete button. Press the Update button to update this announcement. Phone books are used to organize and store your phone numbers, text, and email addresses. From the main menu, press Phone Books to access your current phone books. To create a new phone book, press the blue plus button, then select Add Phone Book. In the description field, create a name for your new phone book, then press the green Add button. Choose from the drop-down options to add to your phone, text, or email contact. Please note, phone contacts must include their area codes. You can upload multiple contacts one time with the cloud button. Please contact our office for instructions on uploading multiple contacts from a spreadsheet. Press the green check button to finish adding your contact to the phone book. Open a phone book and click on a contact to open the Edit Phone Book entry window. Clicking on any of the fields will allow you to change the type of notification, phone, or email message. Click OK once the edits have been made. Click Update to close the entry and save the new changes in the phone book. The Jobs section is used to add, delete, and manage notification jobs. You can select any of the jobs in your list to review details or to delete a scheduled job. From the main menu, press the Jobs button. This will display completed and scheduled jobs. To schedule a new job, press the blue plus button to open the Actions window and select Add Job. Create a name for your new job and enter in the Enter Description field. Select a phone book. Select an announcement. Press the phone button and your job will start immediately. Use Upload to add a new announcement for this job. Once an announcement has been selected, a play button will allow you to listen to the announcement. You can enter an email subject line if you are sending an email notification. Use the Calendar field to set specific jobs' start and end dates. You can also use the Time field to select the time range that you would like the job to run. Please note, the Calendar and Time fields allow for scheduling of future jobs and will only send out jobs between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m. Please contact our office if there's a need to change these times. Press the phone button to schedule or send the notification to your selected phone book. When you signed up for the service, we created certain defaults to meet your needs. For more information on the advanced features of this service, please contact our office and we will supply you with a detailed user guide for the advanced features.